Tuesday, June 11, 2024. Saint Barnabas. Focus. The kingdom of heaven is at hand. We perhaps fail to appreciate the depth of such a simple statement. Something at hand is something that is imminent, about to happen. This was a decisive time for Israel and for all who were exposed to the ministry of Jesus. He walked the earth to bring heaven down to earth, and that is how he made divine life accessible to all. Is this heavenly life at hand for us Christians? We are called to action. Our work in the kingdom consists of taking it far and wide, as did Saint Barnabas. We may not be able to perform great miracles or preach from the pulpit, but in little ways we can bring a slice of heaven to our near and dear ones. And more importantly, to those around us, we need it the most. The time to build God's kingdom is here and now. Our lives are meant to be a dedication to the kingdom. Through our thoughts, words, and actions, we can make the kingdom of God a reality in our families, in society, and in the world at large. We live in troubled times, and the world needs a balm of peace, the touch of love. Maybe we can be the ones to bring about that much needed radical change. Then people will say, the kingdom of God is truly at hand. Fruit. Can I make the kingdom of God real to the people around me?